Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to harvest fresh chamomile flowers so you can make your own tea at home. Chamomile definitely has a lot of different uses in the kitchen, but if you've never made your own fresh chamomile tea before, I definitely recommend you giving it a try because it tastes so much better than anything you can buy in the store, and it's really easy to make at home. The best time to harvest chamomile flowers are on a dry day when the petals are nice and open and flat, and I typically like to harvest in the late morning or early afternoon before it gets too hot outside. To harvest the flowers, you're just going to pinch off the flower head at the base like this and pluck it in an upwards motion, being careful not to tug or pull too much of the stem. If you do get some stem in there, it's completely fine. You can just remove them after before you dehydrate the flowers. And it's important to stay on top of harvesting chamomile because the more that you harvest, the more the plant will continue to push out new blooms. This is a very time-consuming process, and they do make some purpose-built chamomile rakes, but honestly, it's a really nice way to spend some time in the garden, so I really don't mind doing it with my hands. Okay, so we are inside now, and I arranged the flowers in a single layer here on my dehydrator tray. And we love using this to dehydrate different things, and it works really well for flowers. And I'm gonna run it on the lowest setting, so 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm gonna check these every 12 hours. In my experience, it takes a couple days for these to dehydrate in the dehydrator. You can also dehydrate them on a tea towel or on a plate in the sun. You definitely don't have to use a dehydrator, but it's very humid right now outside, so this is really the best option for us. And when you're done, the dehydrated flowers will look like this, and they are ready for tea. And I go through a lot of chamomile tea. I drink a cup every single night, so I go through it pretty quickly, and it's important to just always have a fresh supply.